Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Angie. I'm a gardener full-time at a large university, and I developed carpal tunnel syndrome due to my job because I do things such as raking, pruning, weeding, shoveling, planting flowers, and using power equipment on a daily basis at my job. I was diagnosed with carpal tunnel syndrome after I had many sleepless nights of numbness, tingling, and pain. And they told me that surgery was an option for me and that my health insurance would cover it. There would be quite a bit of downtime with the surgery, and I was definitely not for it. So, luckily, my husband was thumbing through a magazine one day and saw an ad for the Carpal solution. And he said, "Hey, you may want to give this a try." And I said, "I will try anything at this point." And it looked promising to me, and I went to the website and I called them and placed my order. The product came promptly. I couldn't believe how easy it was to use. I used it right away, and it worked the very first night. I did the 6 weeks of therapy that they advised on the package, and the carpal tunnel syndrome subsided for quite a while. The bottom line is that it does work, and it held off surgery. I don't need surgery. Because of this product, I urge anybody with carpal tunnel syndrome who has a very busy job using their hands on a daily basis, or of course a hobby. Anybody who's suffering with this doesn't need to suffer any longer once they get this product. So, do order. I encourage you to do it. It works, and good luck. Thank you.
Ouch! Hands and wrists hurting again? Oh, soreness and tingling in your fingers? Is pain in your hands, wrists, or forearms slowing you down? Or even interfering with your job? Well, you can't just ignore it because it won't go away. If you experience tingling or loss of feeling in your fingers or thumbs, weakness or pain in your hands, wrists, or forearms, you may be suffering from a common painful condition, carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome sends thousands of American workers home every year and affects millions more who may be unaware of the cause or simply try to ignore the pain. Until now, treating the pain meant paralyzing braces or splints, steroid injections, or even painful invasive surgery. But now there's a better solution, the Carpal solution.
It's a very easy solution. I don't have to go to the doctor. I don't have to call for a prescription. I don't have to do anything but open the package and put them on.
I tried the Carpal solution, and within 2 to 3 days, I probably had at least an 80% change in my hands. It was drastic.
It's only been 4 nights, and I'm seeing a marked improvement.
I don't have to wear it during the day. I can wear it at night, sleep at night. It's very lightweight.
The Carpal solution is revolutionizing the way to treat the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome with fast, easy, overnight relief with no surgery, no drugs, no immobilizing arm devices, not even a messy cream.
I think it is actually a solution to having carpal tunnel, and I'm really glad that I have tried the product because now I don't have pain in my wrist anymore.
I can't believe it. This is the only product that has ever helped me.
I'm a much happier person. Getting rid of some pain makes a big difference in your life.
Don't live in the pain and agony. Go for a Carpal solution and use it.
And as you're about to find out, the Carpal solution actually works to relieve your symptoms while you sleep. Learn how to take your life back with your own hands and get fast, easy relief for your hand and wrist pain right here, right now on this special edition of Incredible Discoveries.
Hello and welcome to Incredible Discoveries. I'm Debbie Marie.
And I'm Jim Rose.
Jim, watch this. Looks easy, right?
Yeah.
Unless you're suffering from carpal tunnel strain or carpal tunnel syndrome. Then just this simple movement, something many of us take for granted, becomes agonizing. Then dialing the phone, typing, unlocking doors, even buttoning your shirt is unbearable.
Introducing the Carpal solution.
It's the world's first flexible, non-binding, soft tissue reshaping therapeutic device that actually works while you sleep.
That's right. While you sleep, the Carpal solution offers rapid relief of the painful symptoms you experience.
I think the best part of the carpal tunnel solution is definitely being able to wear it at night. It doesn't interfere with your daily routine. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your wrist.
The Carpal solution is making it possible to take back your life with your own hands.
Designed by a physician whose wife developed carpal tunnel syndrome, the Carpal solution works gently and overnight to relieve your pain.
In just one short week, the Carpal solution can make a difference in your life. And to prove how effective the Carpal solution is, we utilized thermal imaging technology. This person suffers from carpal tunnel syndrome. Notice the blue areas. That's where blood circulation is being restricted. Now look at this image of the same hand after using the Carpal solution. You can see the pink areas representing increased blood circulation. Amazing proof the Carpal solution works. Here's how you can start getting your pain-free life back again with your own hands.
Until now, treating the pain meant paralyzing braces or splints, steroid injections, or even painful invasive surgery. But now there's a better solution, the Carpal solution.